here with Dump Truck, which is fantastic. He came down to join us and check it out. But I'm so excited. It's been 1 year. You can believe it.
I was here a few months ago, and the exterior had already had a little bit of a facelift, but the inside wasn't done yet. And this is gorgeous. What all have you done here?
Absolutely. We did the entire Heritage build out. We did all new tile, all new flooring, ceilings, and it's really been a cool update. And you know, it's funny, 1 year ago, we came and it was a huge celebration and a retirement party for the former owners. And I said, listen, everyone, we're gonna make some changes. We're gonna do some things around here. Just to hold tight, help us out. We'll be there for you. And please come in and watch. But we ask for your support. And I've got to just say thank you to everyone. All these customers are just incredible around here.
It's been cool to get to meet some of the folks and find out like the other motorcycles that people are into, which is one of the things I like about your store, is it's not just one brand. You have more than one reason to really like motorcycles here in Nashville, and you're ready for the riding season now. Like, you've got 1 year. I mean, everything's done. Like, all the details are finished. What does that mean for your riding season coming up in your local community?
And we are locked and ready. I remember last year we had 3 Ducatis on the showroom floor. That was it. And I think we had like 6 BMWs. Yeah, so you can see it's a big change.
I can fall over and run into 6 BMWs on accident right now, which I won't do because my wallet's not that big.
You probably have. But no, anyway, it's really exciting. Thanks for coming out and joining us. And you know, we're sort of sitting by a cool bike right behind us here, right?
I absolutely love the BMW R18B. It's really hard to say it's not the best bagger out there for a few reasons. Number one, the style is just beautiful. There's luxury on this bike. When you wash this motorcycle, you'll find these different components that are unseen that have a certain finished level to them that are nice. I mean, the gas tank, number one, as a guy that's mostly American V-twin rider in the past, like just getting to learn this bike up and down, it's great. You have a better lee angle than some of its competing brands. You have plenty of power. The boxer motor performs, and you're not muted from the ride. One of the greatest things about the R18 is the motor itself and the fact that you can feel it. Like, you hit the throttle.
Right.
It's not completely vibration dampened out to where you're on a sewing machine that goes really fast. Like, no, this is a motorcycle from the word jump. And if you haven't ridden that R18B, then shame on you if you're trying to go somewhere fast and look good at the same time, because that's the bike.
And this blackout, pretty cool, right?
I mean, you really can't go wrong with it. I mean, the only thing that you're missing with black is more black. That's pretty much how, I think it's a rule somewhere, even if it's not real. Once you write it down, it will be.
I'll remember that, that's great. But hey, thanks so much for joining us.
Absolutely, man, anytime.
Hey, thank you to all of our customers. Really, we owe it to you guys for our great success. Many years to come. It's gonna be awesome.
This is your fault. They did this for you.
Exactly.